Let's make a rectangle animation in this video. Since we are creating a desktop application, we need to import the Javafx.application package and extend the application class. Next, we override the start method, which is the application lifecycle method to start the application. Here we pass the object reference of stage class. Stage is a top level JavaFX container. Think of it as a window of our desktop application. In the start method, we create an object of group class, which is a collection of nodes or objects like shape or text label that we create. Then we create a scene object. Scene is a container for all the contents in a scene graph. A scene is present inside a window, that is the stage object, which we pass as object reference. We pass height, width as well as background color for the scene. Now let's create a simple rectangle shape and pass 100 pixels as height and width as well as color to the rectangle object. Let's animate the rectangle because why not? First, let's create a translate transition object which translates or changes the position of a rectangle using setX and setY method. Then we set the transition on our node using setNode. Using setCycleCount, we are saying that hey Java, loop this transition for let's just say 10 times and also auto reverse it so that it doesn't. Then finally, call the play method to actually start the transition. Similarly, let's create a rotate transition where we set the rotation angle to 720 degrees, then set the transition on our rectangle and the same things that we did for a translate transition. Then let's just create a final transition where we want to change the rectangle color to some other color. For that, we create a fill transition object and repeat the same steps. Now that we have created a rectangle and animated it using transitions, we shall now add it to our groups object, that is root. Now we initialize the stage object, set the application title and set the scene using set title and set scene method. And finally set the stage to show or display the scene using show method. Now let's run the application and see the output.